The middle ground we're working on has a white nondescript sky. To fix that, we will replace it with a new sky to serve as the background in our project. First, we must prepare the image using a layer mask to hide the original sky. Click on the middle ground layer to make it active. Hold the Selection Tool button in the Adobe Photoshop Tools menu and select the Magic Wand tool. With the Magic Wand tool active, click and drag across a portion of the sky. Because the color of the sky is uniform, Adobe Photoshop recognizes its shape and selects it for you. Click the Add a Layer Mask button in the Adobe Photoshop Layers panel to add the layer mask. Press Command-I on a Mac or Control-I on a PC to invert the layer mask so that the sky is masked rather than the main scene.